The ADA accomplished a long list of things in protecting the discrimination of those with a disability, such as protecting against employment discrimination. It was not a legal requirement for all physical landscapes to be architecturally accessible to those who are disabled. Some of the changes resulting from the ADA were only small changes in some cases, but others demanded entirely new structures be created to comply with the law. For the first time, the built world was being created to support people with disabilities. Despite the ADA's many changes, many barriers are still present in need of removal. So let me pose a question. Does the ADA apply in digital spaces? The answer proves to be a yes and no. The ADA was enacted before the internet, leaving many gray areas for the courts to interpret. Title III of the Americans with Disabilities Act prohibits discrimination by the owner of a public accommodation based on a disability. Discrimination includes preventing access to full and equal enjoyment of that public accommodation's goods, services, facilities, privileges, advantage, or accommodations. The 11th Circuit has not yet ruled on whether websites stand alone or are considered public accommodations under the ADA. In the past, courts in the circuit have held where a website is wholly unconnected to a physical space, it is not covered by the ADA. On the other hand, if a website is substantially connected to a physical location and operates as a gateway to the physical location of a store, it is considered a service of the public accommodation, which is enough to bring it under the umbrella of the ADA. This is known as the Nexus Standard.